This video reviews the best practices for installing WhatsUp Gold and its components with maximum security. It's important to prepare your environment and to securely install WhatsUp Gold to protect against unauthorized access to your servers and databases. Before you deploy WhatsUp Gold, you should review the servers you'll be using for the installation. We recommend using dedicated servers, either physical or virtual. This includes the server on which you plan to run WhatsUp Gold, along with the Microsoft SQL Server that will host your WhatsUp Gold databases, plus any scalability pollers. Do not use these servers for any other purpose. Ensure that these servers are joined to your organization's Windows domain. This enables them, like all other parts of the domain, to be managed centrally using domain-level policies such as password aging and complexity policies. Situate any physical servers in a locked room or equipment cabinet so that access is limited to only trusted personnel. Enable only the TLS 1.2 protocol on these servers. You should disable SSL version 3, TLS 1.0, and TLS 1.1. Always ensure that the Windows operating system, .NET Framework, and any other core software on these servers is kept current with all the latest updates. Confirm the digital signature on the WhatsUp Gold installation program to ensure that it is signed using a valid, unrevoked digital signing certificate from Progress Software Corporation. Now you are ready to deploy. During your WhatsUp Gold installation, use strong passwords for any accounts that are created during this process. This includes the account created when you choose to install the instance of Microsoft SQL Server Express that is packaged with WhatsUp Gold, the WhatsUp Gold user Windows account, and the admin web user account. The installation program will attempt to enforce any password complexity policies that are in effect on the server where you are installing WhatsUp Gold. Only share these accounts with trusted administrators. Do not use these accounts for any other purpose. You have the option to use Windows authentication for connecting to SQL Server. We recommend using this option as it has stronger security than SQL Server authentication. Utilize the HTTPS protocol for accessing the WhatsUp Gold web interface whenever possible. HTTPS is a requirement beginning in WhatsUp Gold version 2024. Consider using a port other than the default port of 443. If you use an alternate port number, it must be appended to the hostname or IP address of the URL when accessing the WhatsUp Gold web interface, as in this example. Although WhatsUp Gold allows you to generate a self-signed certificate to be used for the HTTPS binding, we strongly recommend that you use a certificate issued by a trusted root certification authority such as VeriSign. If you are licensed for the log management feature, you have a few additional considerations. In earlier versions of WhatsUp Gold, an instance of Elasticsearch was included with the WhatsUp Gold installation package, which is used to store the log management database. However, starting with version 23.1, WhatsUp Gold no longer distributes Elasticsearch. You must provide your own supported Elasticsearch instance, which should use a secure HTTPS connection. Ideally, this instance should also use a non-standard port and require authentication. After WhatsUp Gold installation is complete, log into the web interface and make sure that the certificate used by the secure Elasticsearch installation is configured in the log management settings and that the Ignore Certification Error checkbox is cleared. Thank you for watching this video reviewing security best practices for installing WhatsUp Gold.